Now, why we have to consider water as solvent? Let us check out. Try to recollect chemical bonding chapter. The structure of water is like this. Oxygen is central atom. It is undergoing sp3 hybridization, but distorted structure is there because two lone pairs of electrons are there. So these two lone pairs of electrons, they are changing out the angle. Actually, this angle should be 109.28, but it is found that this angle is 104 degree and 28 minutes. So this way the angle is changed. Now we can say generally it is 104.5 because 30 minutes that corresponds to half degree. So we are considering this as almost 104.5 degree. So this is the angle over here. Now hydrogen and oxygen, they are having different electronegativities. Electronegativity means tendency to acquire electron cloud in bonding condition. So oxygen is having more tendency to accept electron cloud from both the hydrogen, and ultimately hydrogen is having deficiency of electron. The electron on hydrogen spends less time over hydrogen and more time over water. So this will develop a charge. This is called as positive charge, but not entire positive charge. Very small positive charge is developed, and therefore we are calling that as delta. Delta is Greek letter, small delta, that means two delta letters are there. This is also called as delta, but this is capital delta, whereas this is small delta. So we are indicating this as very small charge is present on these two hydrogen, and same way small negative charge is there on oxygen. Don't say delta plus, therefore 2 delta minus. No, delta means what? It is not a numerical. This is just to indicate very small negative charge is there on oxygen. So poles are developed, and therefore water molecule is considered as polar molecule. Let us go on diagrammatic view. This is the oxygen atom, whereas hydrogen atoms are attached here. There is practical overlap, so I am not showing the overlap portion here. So this way two hydrogens should have same atomic size. They are attached over here. So this is the structure of water molecule. In short, I can show this way the water molecule structure, whereas two ends are having positive charge and this end is having negative charge. Delta positive and delta negative charges are there.